Hello my YouTubers, it's your cameraman Daniel Drupski for this new update video at that garage thing on Laurel Boulevard, and today is May 22nd, 2023. We haven't done this video in a long time. Yep, and I just spotted it by accident. I didn't know I was very busy taking care of things. Yep. And 2 days ago we had a soapbox derby going on Laurel Boulevard. Right this past 20th of this month. Yep. Right now we see the bulldozer. Yeah. It's a good thing I spotted it by accident. And right now it's about 6:26 in the afternoon. So that's a little update at this that place over there. And please comment or subscribe or ring the bell if you like this video or previous videos about this the garage update. Until then, this is your cameraman Dana Drupski signing off, and I'll see you a little next time. Goodbye, and enjoy this video.